How to apply PNP for British Columbia. Your first things first is everything can be done via the official site, which is going to be the welcomebc.ca. Now, this is their official website, so all you have to do first before you create a profile is first things first is you'll have to go ahead and check if you're eligible to apply. Now, you have also to check if you meet the criteria for either the skills immigration or entrepreneur immigration streams. Now, by there, if you're qualified for those informations or options, then all you have to do is just create a profile from this website right here, which is going to be the welcomebc.ca. After that, all you have to do, if your profile is selected, you will now then receive an ITA or invitation to apply, and you will have only a limited time to submit a full application for nomination. This is after you have submitted your application. Now, if your application is successful, you will receive a nomination from the province of British Columbia, and by there, you just have to follow along those specific processes from the letter that you will receive via your email address, and you're good to go if you're qualified for applying for a PNP. So that's it. That's how you apply for a PNP in British Columbia.